This is the DS-82, the application to renew a U.S. passport by mail. You can use it if your most recent passport is undamaged and in your possession, was issued when you were 16 or older, was issued within the last 15 years, and is in your current name. Or you can document a name change. Unlike a first-time application, you sign this one yourself and mail it in. Let's fill it out. The form starts by confirming you qualify. You answer, yes, you can submit your most recent passport. Yes, you were at least 16 when it was issued. Yes, it was issued within the last 15 years. No, it isn't damaged. No, it isn't limited. And your name is the same. If any of those don't fit, you'll need Form DS-11 in person instead. Choose whether you're renewing a passport book, a passport card, or both. Then pick your book size, the regular 28-page book, or the large 52-page book for frequent travelers. It's the same fee. Enter your full legal name, last, first, and middle, as it appears on the passport you're renewing. Add your date of birth, mark your sex, and enter your place of birth, the city and state if you were born in the United States, or the city and country if abroad. Enter your Social Security number. It's required by law, and leaving it blank can delay your renewal or even cause it to be denied. Add an email address and a phone number, used only if there's a question about your application. Enter the mailing address where you'd like your new passport and your return documents sent. Now the part unique to a renewal, your most recent passport. Enter the name printed on it, its 9-digit book number, and the date it was issued. You'll mail that passport in with this form, and it's returned to you separately. Add your physical description, height, hair color, and eye color, then your occupation and your employer or school. Give an emergency contact who isn't traveling with you with their name, address, and phone number. Before you mail it, sign and date the form yourself, no agent needed. Attach one 2x2-inch color photo, and remember, photos are the top reason renewals get delayed, so follow the size and quality rules closely. Then mail the form, your most recent passport, the photo, and your fee to the address in the instructions. Because you're renewing by mail, there's just one fee, paid to the State Department, with no in-person acceptance fee. Many people can now also renew online. Check travel.state.gov to compare. You can fill this form out free at FormsPal, then download and print it. This is general guidance, not legal advice.